Guys, it's Tory. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. So I'm going to walk you through from start to finish how to make a Valentine gnome. It's so cute, you guys. You're gonna love it. And I wanted to let you know I'll leave a link below on where you can find this SVG file. And I just went ahead and I already uploaded it to Cricut Design Space. I noticed that the file was missing the nose. So all you do is just go into shapes, and I just inserted an oval, and then I just kind of shaped it to, you know, that size that I thought would be a good size for the nose. And I will let you know too what it is. I just grouped those together. Let's see. So if you like the nose that I do, the width is 0.819 and the height is 0.579. So if you wanted to use those dimensions, feel free to do those. And what I'm going to do is here, this is hearts, and I had tried to print them, to cut them out. They're so tiny and it's a lot of gluing. So what I'm going to do with this instead is I'm going to deboss it to kind of give it that imprint of the hearts. So let's go ahead and hit ungroup. And then I'm going to select the hearts. And I'm going to go to operations, and I'm going to change it to deboss. And then I'm going to select both of these and hit attach. That way, when we go ahead and put this on the Cricut, we're going to deboss this. And now we're ready to hit make it. Okay, so I placed the white cardstock on the mat, and I'm going to select cardstock for intricate cuts. And we're going to go ahead and load it up and just cut it with the regular fine point tool. And I'll go ahead and continue. It's just the basic cut. But when we get to debossing, I will go ahead and show you guys how to do that. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and deboss this one. And if you see here, it only has copy paper, foil, poster board, faux leather, and laser paper. And these are just, yours may be different. These are just things that are on my dashboard, I would say. You know, you can see how they are starred. So these are like my favorites. And so out of those, it's saying, you know, those you can deboss. But what I'm going to do is hit browse all material, and I'm going to type in cardstock, and then I'm going to select craft cardstock. Done. And then I'm just going to go ahead and hit the go button, and it will go ahead and deboss that cardstock. Okay, so this is the debossing tool. It's number 21. And we're going to start off with putting it in the Cricut and closing it. And then we're going to load the mat and just hit the go button.